Local news for Friday the 19th of May. A Māori economic seminar is set to take place today and tomorrow. Held at Wairarapa House, the seminar is an opportunity to find key contacts within the region who can support whānau and business development, including things like digital enablement, land-based economies and tourism. Horses and their riders from across the region come together tomorrow in a national campaign of action targeting horse safety on our roads. The ride sets out from Taverner Street in Carterton at 10 a.m. and will take in a 5-kilometre circuit of the town, as well as being supported by volunteers on foot who will even be ready with shovels to ensure only hoofprints are left on Carterton roads. Ride for Road Safety will involve a spectacle of horses, ponies and carts riding en masse through Carterton to coincide with similar events around the country. Carterton resident and ride organiser Rebecca Kent says there's a serious message to the event, but the aim is to also have fun. And in sport, in this weekend's Premier Club Rugby, Carterton hosts Marist. Top of the table, Gladstone play Pioneer. Greytown play East Coast and Martinborough take on Eketahuna. And depending on results, it will either be Gladstone or Greytown that will take the first round Moose Kapiti Cup. For Wairarapa TV Local News and Sport, I'm Brent Gare.